guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a bit of a different video. I want to walk you through how to create a playlist, how to add your video to a playlist, how to create a creators playlist and share that, as well as how to add yourself to that playlist using a computer as well as the phone. YouTube has created a couple changes recently, and I'm finding that a lot of people are struggling, especially creating a playlist that you can add your videos to. So I'm gonna do a little step-by-step. I'm sure it's been done before. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I thought maybe I can help out as well. So I'm going to walk you step-by-step with everything, and then I'm going to share you on the screen and all that stuff. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your channel. I'm actually going to be creating an actual playlist for my challenge that's on Sunday. So you want to go into your playlists, and then you want to click on new playlist, and then you want to add the title. I'm doing a coastal DIY challenge, so that is what I'm going to be adding as my title. And you want to also make sure that your playlist is public. That's important too. You don't want it to be unlisted. You don't want it to be private, because nobody will be able to see it, and nobody should be able to add anything to that playlist without the collaborators link. So then you click on that playlist. So now you have a playlist that's just a playlist that you are the only person that can add to it. So you want to go ahead and add your video to it. This is a very important step. This didn't used to be a necessary step, and now it is a very necessary step, because your playlist will not work without a video. So because I don't have my video created for that playlist yet, I am just adding my latest video that I had published, and here it is. If it doesn't show up right away, you might want to refresh the page, and then you proceed to you can now add either a description of what this playlist is about. I find this is pretty good idea to add, because it'll let people know what the playlist is about, and it can also maybe increase your chances of being found, the playlist being found in the search in YouTube. I'm not certain of that, but I think it does not hurt. So once you have that done, you want to save it, because otherwise it's not going to save. And then you move on to creating the collaborators link. So you go into Collaborators, you click on that, and then a separate window opens up for you, and you want to turn that on. It says Collaborators may add videos, so you want to turn that on, and then you want to copy the link. Now, one of the most important things at this time is, once you had copied that link, you want to press done. This is so very important. If you do not press this done button, your playlist will not work. Trust me, I've done it many times where I rush through and don't press done. So now I'm going to go to my other channel, and this is a good practice if you have somebody else with a channel, to just double check your playlist. And then I'm going to open my notes and copy that, add that link to those notes, and then click on it, and here it is. So that tells me, this blue continue button, that it's working. So I am on a different channel. So this is what you should be getting for other people to be able to add videos. So you want to click that continue button, and then you want to move on and proceeding to add your video. So you can go into your videos on the left hand side and do it from here, but I'm just going to quickly show you an easier way, just by going up to the right hand corner and click on your little icon, and just go into your channel and pick a video from there. So once that page opens up, you just want to go over to the little three dots on the right hand side of the video. I'm just going to move the screen up just so it shows you a little bit nicer. So you go to those three, and then the third one down says save to the playlist, and when you press that continue button earlier, it automatically added this playlist here. So you click on that, make sure you look on the bottom that it has saved, and then you can also close that up and then go back into your other channel, into that playlist, and check it. You can also just check on the playlist. It should show up on your little left hand side there. But I'm just going to go into my other channel and check the playlist. I'm going to refresh the page, and here it is. It should show up right now. Yep, and there it is. So I think that was pretty easy to do. Now I'm going to this arrow here. This is the link that you want to share in the description box of your video if you're participating in the playlist, because you don't want to share the Collaborators link in your playlist. That is only for the person that had created that playlist, because otherwise other people might click on that, and then they'll be able to add random videos into it. But with this link, they won't be able to add videos. So this is the link for people that are participating in the playlist to share in their description box. The Collaborators link is for the creator of the playlist to share so other people can add videos. I hope that makes sense. If not, you can always shoot me a message in the comments and I can maybe explain it a little bit better. I just want to show you that you can also move as a creator of the playlist, you can move these up and down, and you can also go into those three dots and select how you want your playlist to look in the playlist setting. So that when you click on that, that will open up a separate window, and it will just say just all the how you want the playlist to look, the order of the videos. So now I'm going to show you how you can add the videos to this playlist using your cell phone. So because I had copied the link into my cloud, my notes, and my notes are in the cloud, I can just click automatically from it. But just imagine as you clicking that playlist from the description box of the creator. So then a window should pop up, but make sure that your you're on the right channel. So you click on that continue button, and then a separate window opens up. Then you go into the right hand corner where it says library, and then you can click on your videos, or you can go into your channel, and then from your videos you can click on the video that you want to add, which will open up your video, and then you will go into save, and over there it'll tell you where it saved it. Now sometimes it'll save it to a random playlist, so you want to press that change button. Sorry, the plane's going by. And then here select the proper playlist that's on there for that you want to add the video to. Go back, check, and just so this I'm just checking. So I did add it twice for some reason, so I will be removing that. So I want to show you that you can remove that as well. As a creator of the playlist, you can remove videos that you don't want by clicking the three buttons on the left hand side and just delete the playlist from the video from the playlist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete these two videos. So my playlist is ready to go for Sunday, but let me know if this was helpful. If you would like to know more, I can do maybe explain in the description box, or maybe another video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to know. I'm glad to help. If I can, I'll help. And like I said, this is a bit of a different video, but I hope it is helpful to you guys. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and leave me a comment down below. Like I said, I would love to know if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you all in my next video, which will be my challenge coming up on Sunday. Thanks for watching.